हर कोई इंग्लिश बोलना चाहता है, लेकिन जब बात आती है अपने होम टाउन के बारे में बोलने की, तो हम सडनली ब्लैंक हो जाते हैं। मैं भी ऐसा ही फील करती थी। मैं भी अपने सिटी के बारे में इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल पाती थी। सोचो, जिस जगह ने हमें बड़ा किया, जहां हमारी मेमोरीज है, हम उसको इंग्लिश में नहीं एक्सप्रेस कर पा रहे, तो हमारे इंग्लिश सीखने का क्या फायदा? टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट माय ब्यूटीफुल होम टाउन in very simple English. And trust me, you can also do it. Hello everyone, my name is Prachi. Welcome back to my English learning journey. This is day 4 of my English speaking challenge. And today I am going to talk about my hometown. I belong to Rewa district in Madhya Pradesh, India. Rewa is very peaceful and historical city. It is famous for the white tiger. In 1951, a white tiger named Mohan was found in Rewa. That is why Rewa is known as the land of the white tiger. This makes my hometown very special and unique. Rewa also has a beautiful fort called Rewa Fort. It shows the royal history of our city. Many kings ruled Rewa in the past. Rewa was a princely state before independence. It has a very rich culture and historical background. Rewa is also known for its natural beauty. There are waterfalls and green areas near the city. The environment is very calm and fresh. The people of Rewa are very simple, kind, and helpful. I spent my childhood in Rewa. All my school and college memories are connected with this place. Whenever I visit my hometown, I feel happy and peaceful. No matter where I go, my hometown will always stay in my heart. This is all about my hometown. And tell me in the comments, where do you belong to? And if you find any mistakes in my English, please correct me in the comment. Your feedback help me to improve. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.